Let's talk about draft night, which is supposed to be the most fun part of your fantasy season. So many leagues have boring online drafts where everyone sits alone staring at a computer screen for hours when they could be having fun by holding a live draft. Get together with your friends, have a beer, trash talk, and live in the real world. The best way to do this is with a draft kit from the original company DraftKit.com. A draft kit is a large draft board and a complete set of player labels colored by position that make live drafts a breeze. DraftKit.com has 3 different size draft kits: the personal size, the regular size with 1x4-inch labels and up to a 6-foot draft board, which is perfect for most leagues, and the Monster Jumbo Draft Kit with 2x8-inch labels and a 12-foot draft board. Every draft kit from DraftKit.com comes with over 480 player labels and blanks, and the labels include the player's name, position, team, and bye week, but no garbage like pictures or logos that make the text smaller and harder to read. They also include draft board personalizing labels so you can add your league name and team names to the draft board. Get all your fantasy league supplies at DraftKit.com, including fun draft koozies, trophies, t-shirts, and more. Visit them at DraftKit.com.